and the time of my departure has come. I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, and have kept the faith. From now on there is reserved for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will give me on the day, and not only to me, but also to all who have longed for his appearing.
My dear teachers and students, I am sure by this time all of you have come to know that Ms. Rupinder Basra served our institution as a geography teacher Rupinder Prasad fulfilled her responsibilities with utmost dedication, going above and beyond until the very last moment. Her contribution to maintaining discipline were truly commendable. She cared deeply for every student, ensuring their well-being at all times. Whenever there was a program at the school, Miss Basra could be found in the corridors, near the washrooms, and overseeing all the classrooms. I always felt content with her in charge. Being her commitment to discipline, she had a generous heart. During the challenging time of COVID-19, she contributed generously to support those who were unable to pay the school fees. She insisted that her contributions remain anonymous, compelling me to promise that no one would know about her generosity. To this day, I have kept that promise. Bible says, God loves a cheerful giver. Dear students and teachers, Miss Basra was indeed a generous soul. Dear loving Basra, you kept little flower in your heart and loved us so. This institution will remain forever indebted to her. Rest in peace, Miss Rupinder Prasad.
खुदा की करना सारी सफर देना आस रख के खुदा की करना साईं तुझारी दर्दों से मेरे ते तरस खा के सुनी मेरी साथिया बुलारी मैं सफर देना सफर तेरा लियास रख के खुदा की करना साईं तुझारी खुदा ने सूते सारी मैं सबर देना आस रख के खुदा की करना सारी इंतजारी खुदा की करना सारी इंतजारी
Some souls are born pious and pure. They come on this earth to serve humanity and take eternal shelter in the lovely home of the Almighty. Such was the soul of one of our beloved colleagues, Miss Rupinder Basra. Her dominating yet loving image shall always persist in the hearts of all the members of this institution. Like pure water, she used to mingle with everyone whom she came across, maybe a teacher, a student, any member of supporting staff or any parent. The portals of this institution will always speak of her dedicated and sincere services, especially maintaining discipline during various celebrations and functions. O Lord, we call upon you in our time of sorrow that you gave us the strength and will to bear our heavy burdens until we can again feel the warmth and love of your divine compassion. Be mindful of us and have mercy on us while we struggle to comprehend life's hardship. With deep reverence in our hearts, let us offer our sincere prayers for her departed soul. May her soul rest in peace.
May eternal rest grant unto her, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine forth her. Today, with deep pain inside and mournful heart, we all have gathered here to pray for the departed soul of one of the beloved members of this beautiful family, that is for the departed soul of Miss Rupinder Basra. She was a person with a clear heart. She was a perfect description of loyalty, generosity, and dedication. Her presence really made a difference in the lives of each one of us. The pain of her sudden demise is intolerable, and her loving memories shall always overshadow our minds and thoughts. Still, it is hard to believe that Miss Basra is no more. Her presence can still be felt in every nook and corner of this institution. The corridors still resound her voice, maintaining discipline and giving directions to each and every student and teacher when she came across. I, on behalf of each and every member of the LFCS family, pray for her departed soul. May the Almighty grant her eternal peace and she enjoys spiritual bliss. Miss Rupinder Basra's memories shall ever remain imprinted in our minds forever. Let us all pray earnestly and pay homage to her departed soul.
Who had ever imagined our newborn at a social gathering without us from us? In grateful remembrance of a teacher who really made a difference. To the world, you may just be a teacher, ma'am. And to your students, you were the world. We all owe you, Basra. I'm terribly pained by the loss of our beloved teacher, ma'am. When I heard the news of her passing, there were so many thoughts and memories that raced through my head. Basra ma'am strived relentlessly to guide us in every sphere of life. She worked very hard to ensure the discipline in our school, struggling, running from the corridors to the classes everywhere. one of the best teachers we had ever met. It shall be considered as our personal loss. Asrama was really simple-hearted and cordial to even an unknown person. She made a difference in our lives. She touched. She really touched. She won the hearts of people both inside the campus and outside the campus. It's a loss to every one of us. She was a great human being and a fabulous teacher. We will always miss you, Asrama. May the love for the lost is forever carried in your memories. In this hour of grief, I wish my deep condolences to our family members. Thank you, ma'am, for everything you did for us and our school. Now, as you all are indebted, dear students, you all are indebted to Asrama, ma'am. So it is your duty now to maintain discipline in your school. Thank you.
With sorrowful hearts as we mourn the loss of our dear beloved teacher, Mr. Rupinder Basra. In this place of learning and growth, we shared many moments of dedication, laughter, and hard work. We are grateful for the time we spent together, for the wisdom she shared with the students and the staff as well. She gave of herself to the students and to our school. She was a very pious soul. Right now I am using the word was, Father. It is just driving my heart that I am using was when I was. We all are shocked to our core. We have lost one of the best teachers we have ever met. We lost a great human being. Oh God, we ask you to comfort all those who grieve, students, teachers, staff, her family and friends, as we navigate the time of sadness. We entrust our beloved Miss Basra to your mercy, God. May she find eternal rest and peace in your loving arms. Give us strength to honor her memory through continued dedication to the work we shared. Bless the students whom she taught and help them to have pride in all that they learned from her. Let perpetual light shone upon her. May her soul rest in peace. And to give tribute to Miss Basra ma'am, students, right now is your duty. It's your duty because Basra ma'am is known for her discipline, for her dedication towards this institute, towards her children. She was just like a coconut, you say. Very hard from outside, but very sweet and soft from inside. Mostly she used the word puttal for all of you. When she used to guide you, to chid you, she was not chiding you with any grudges. She was having a lot of concern towards you. She wants you to be very successful citizens. So that is why she used to chid you, so that you would be in discipline. You will learn something from this institute. And if you want to give tribute to your beloved Basra, so please be disciplined. Learn by all the things that is being taught to you by your beloved Basra. No doubt, it's unsupportable and touching loss that we all are bearing right now. So may her soul rest in peace.
God, our Father and Protector, thy power gave birth to us. Thy providence guides our lives, and by your power we were reduced to dust. Today, I pray for Mr. Rupinder Basra, whose absence has created an unfilling loss in our life. that will last forever. I don't have words to express what she was for the school and what she had done for the school. Within this very short tenure, working with her, I had come across so many faces of her, so many things I had learned from her. I don't have words to express what she actually is and how she had made the school. On the sands of time, you have left your footprints with glory. May your departed soul rest in peace.
Who can imagine our school without the sermon? Today, in this prayer service of Astronom, I would like to express my views. I would like to confess my feelings for her. So Astronom, she was rock hard from her inside, but she was very soft. She was very soft from her heart and from her soul. Even though she had various physical infirmities, but that didn't stop her from going to her workplace and to teach her beloved students. I still recall when I was in 8th standard, I had created a big blunder as I was mischievous, but she was the one who made me understand my mistake, and what I am today, my personality, she was the one in developing that. At last I would just pray for her soul, that her soul may rest in peace.
Present for prayer service of the sermon. I would like to share my feelings with you. She was the best teacher that I have ever had. Not only she was the best teacher, but also like a good friend. She always helped the students, not only in studies, but also in other matters, rather to give them emotional support or to guide them like they were right. She was the strongest and the most gentle lady which I know. We never thought that such a thing would happen. Words are not enough to express my feelings. At last, I would like to say that may her good soul rest in peace and may God give strength to her family members to bear this unbearable loss.
पता है कई बार बहुत बारिश हुई है तो बस का नाम पता है कि मैं बहुत डूबा उन्होंने बारिश में मेरी क्लास किया था क्लास में जानी ना मैंने क्लास में बाहर पढ़ना ना तैयार मेरी करते हैं तो वहाँ पर आया सकता है पर भी मान हो जाएगा मेरा पूरा मामला क्या जब कई बार क्लास बाहर भी मैं पढ़ा कि मैम ने मेरे घर के अंदर पढ़ा कितने हाईलाइट हो गया हम बड़ा शुक्रिया रोज मिलते हैं गला पता कर इस पर मैं बहुत शुक्रिया रोज बात कर दिया बहुत जल्दी मैं दूसरे लोगों को व्हाट्सएप पर मैसेज भेजा मैं शोर हो गया मैंने उनको बुलाया जब मैं क्या मैं भी बात करता हूँ मैं ज़्यादा हो गया कि ना से रोना से अल्लाह मेरे को लगता है मैं इसका कहीं बैठा वैसे मैं कल बात नहीं की जब तक ज़्यादा कॉलेज में बहुत प्यार करती थी तो मेरे नाम बहुत मैं क्या ऐसा कर रहा हूँ मेरा नाम प्यार उन्होंने पता है कि मैं पढ़ाई में तीसरा हुआ मेरे पास शांति लगे
As we are gathered here for the prayer service for the departed soul of Miss Ravinda Basra, one of our beloved teachers, I would like to express my feelings towards her. She was the heart of this institution, and surely she would remain in our hearts forever. I salute her for her incredible service and for her passion towards teaching and towards the school. There are some people who leave a prominent mark and win our hearts just by serving in truth, by expressing their true personality, of whom we do remember even after they leave us. And of course, she was one of them. fact that she dedicated her life for the school and for the students of the school. She had always been an inspiration for me. As you know, she always used to tell that morality comes first. Besides being good at academics, if you don't have moral values, you don't have respect for anyone, those mark sheets don't have any worth. I know that we have lost a lovely teacher and a great soul. It has only been a few months since she had been teaching our class for the first time. But the bond that we created with her was magical. You know, just because they are nice at heart and they should remain happy wherever they go, God doesn't want those people to carry any more burden while living on this earth, so He calls them to Him in the heaven. All I want to say is, she was a loving soul, and though she is not present among us physically, she will always remain alive in our hearts, and her advices given to us earlier would guide us further. We would remain indebted to her and let me wish with all my heart, may her soul rest in peace. Thank you.
I wish we could call this day as good as our beloved teacher, Ms. Raman. This sudden news has left everyone in shock and has left a deep scar on the heart of our two little flower family. At this moment, it seems impossible to heal this painful scar. Being a student, I can feel that something which is really close to me is lacking, which is her existence. But I feel that even if she is not present here, she will remain alive in our hearts forever. I look forward to cherish each and every moment spent with her. Her laugh, her scoldings, even her existence used to matter a lot. She had an infinite aura that made everyone feel me. I still remember the time when she patted on my head and gave me blessings. Our whole class is disheartened and shook by her assertiveness. We wish she could live longer and teach us with her unique style again. She was the reason of our smiles during tiring days. She was the sunshine through the darkness of student life. Now as she is gone, I feel lost in the darkness. I wish we all could recover from this incident, but now it seems to be very hard. No one can ever replace her. We must strive to be better and the best version of ourselves for she existed. We all love you endlessly, Ms. Raman. May you so rest in peace.
Dear teachers, Reverend Sister Jasmine, and my fellow mates. Sorry, I can't say good morning, as it's the morning of despair. As the most bold, courageous, and the bravest of all, Mr. Pinder Pasra has left us. Unbelievable and shocking, man. The whole school was directly and indirectly dependent on her. With a green note, I would like to say that the school is nothing, the school is nothing. You know what? I think that every student and every person in the school have affected by this demise of Mr. Pinder Pasra, as she was that person who was having a very special bond with all of us. With a sad note, I would like to say that our prayers and worships for her were not sufficient to make us stand in front of us all. I have recited something for her. Please listen. उस वर्गा ना कोई होया ना किसी ने होना. उस वर्गा ना कोई होया ना किसी ने होना. इस स्कूल ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਯਾਦ ਸਤਾਉਣੀ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਘਾਟਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋਣਾ. ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਯਾਦ ਸਤਾਉਣੀ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਘਾਟਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋਣਾ. ਰੁਕੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੀ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ, ਰੁਕੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੀ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੋਂ ਦਿਲ ਸੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਖਰਾ ਸੋਨਾ. ਉਸ ਵਰਗਾ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਹੋਣਾ. ਸੀਰਤ ਮਾਸੂਮ ਤੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਤੱਕੜ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਸੀ ਮਖਮਲ ਦਾ ਗੋਰਾ. ਉਸ ਵਰਗਾ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਹੋਣਾ. ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸਹੀ ਵਕਤ ਦੀ ਪਛਾਣ. ਪੱਲੇ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਸਫਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ. ਪੱਲੇ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਸਫਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ. ना कोई लवली हुण ओदे वर्गी बन के कोई इस वर्गा बन नहीं सकता। ना कोई लवली हुण ओदे वर्गी बन के कोई इस वर्गा बन नहीं सकता। बार बार गल दिमाग च बजदी, बार बार गल दिमाग च बजदी ते नहीं रुकदा रोना। बार बार गल दिमाग च बजदी ते नहीं रुकदा रोना। लोका कहना छेती फूको हुंदा पिया कोयला। लोका कहना छेती फूको हुंदा पिया कोयला। एक का 4 दिनां दा मेला मिट्टी ने मिट्टी होना। एक का 4 दिनां दा मेला मिट्टी ने मिट्टी होना। I think these words can't describe my pain, what I'm carrying in my heart this time. At last, I would like to say, सबर का थोड़ा जिहा हुण मुड़ नहीं सताउणा। सबर का थोड़ा जिहा हुण मुड़ नहीं सताउणा। मैं तुसी उत्थे चले जाना जिथों मुड़ नहीं वापस आना। तुसी उत्थे चले जाना जिथों मुड़ नहीं वापस आना। धन्यवाद।
क्या लेके आया बंदे, क्या लेके जाएगा, क्या लेके जाएगा। 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। क्या लेके आया। इस जगत सराय में मुसाफिर रहना 2 दिन का। इस जगत सराय में मुसाफिर रहना 2 दिन का। क्यों बिरथा करे मरोड़ मूर्ख इस धन और जोबन का। क्यों बिरथा करे मरोड़ बंदे धन और जोबन का। नहीं है भरोसा पल का, नहीं है भरोसा पल का। यूं ही मर जाएगा। 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। क्या लेके आया। तू छोड़ सके ना बंदे माया गिनी गिनाई ने। तू छोड़ सके ना बंदे माया गिनी गिनाई ने। गढ़ कोठा की नींव छोड़ जा चिड़ी चिड़ाई ने। गढ़ कोठा की नींव छोड़ जा चिड़ी चिड़ाई ने। मिणी तो मिड़ाई, मिणी तो मिड़ाई बंदा यही छोड़ जाएगा। 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। क्या लेके आया। वो कहाँ गए बलवान तीन बर धरती तोलनिया, वो कहाँ गए बलवान तीन बर धरती तोलनिया, जिनकी पड़ती थी धाक नहीं कोई शामी बोलनिया, जिनकी पड़ती धाक नहीं कोई शामी बोलनिया, निर्भय हो के डोलनिया, निर्भय हो के डोलनिया, फिर नहीं पाएगा 2 दिन की जिंदगी, 2 दिन का मेला क्या लेके आया।